Yes, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Yo, I want to address something I seen on the media since yesterday, running early this morning. So there's a person who named Miss Minnie or whatever him call himself, a big fish. We got Jamaica and claiming that Jamaican food is not all that. You see me? And people overrate Jamaican food and the way we are going and all kind of thing. All right, hear me I say, big man, big fish. You hear it? You tell me, where in the world you ever see American food selling in the world except America, bro? You don't see no American restaurant all around the world saying they selling American food, which is collard greens, pinto bean, cornbread, and ham hocks, which that's what you was looking for. Okay? All right. It's not everybody around the world cook soul food. That's gone to Uno. We want to call soul food. See? Because I guess without the pinto beans and the cornbread, it's not soul food. But let me tell you something. There ain't no way collard greens is better than callaloo. You see me? No way, because me eat collard greens and me eat callaloo. You see me? I'm a grow up and eat callaloo. There's no way collard greens better than callaloo. No way. You see me? I want to put meat bone in a food collard greens for it have flavor. Callaloo is something until you steam it. You don't have to put nothing in it. All you need is onion and tomato and a little piece of pepper. And the callaloo sell off. You see me? As far as the beans where you are talking about, ain't nobody can cook no beans like we Jamaican. So stop it, brother. Stop it. And stop discriminate against other people's food. Because me as a Jamaican, and me love, as a boy, I love southern food. You see me? So, me would have never sit down here and I discriminate and I say, yo, American food no taste good and all kind of thing. Brother, when you need to build and stop eat pan Jamaica, brother. Every chance when you get on a try, eat pan Jamaica. You see me? There's only 3 nations in the world. 3 nations in the whole entire world, bro. That them food selling in every country, bro. And Jamaica is one of them. Chinese food is one of them. And Italian food is one of them. And the 3 major blood cleat, wait name that. You see me? When it comes to cultural representation of food. You see me? So, for you, as a Jamaican food not taste good, you got Jamaican, they never have no pinto beans and all kind of thing. Brother, you sound really ignorant for a grown man. You see me? Because we don't grow up and eat pinto beans. We grew up and eat pinto beans, yes, but not glorified the way we glorified. Because we eat all kind of beans in a Jamaica, brother. You see me? So for you to come on social media and the internet and I try bash a culture, you see me? The food where everybody else in the world love. Bro, something wrong with you, bro. Something seriously wrong with you. Somebody needs to address it. You see me? Because when I want you come in our country for vacation and come down there, and then when you come back at your place, you try violate with nation. You see me? Our culture. Because there ain't nobody food right now selling like Jamaican food. Nobody. Chinaman come the closest. You see me? So for you to talk about Jamaican food now and a taste and it distasteful and you never wait name the okay, you never like it. Say that. But don't say Jamaican food not taste the way everybody I claim say it tastes and or you couldn't get the food what you want. So you got disclaim say Jamaican food is not that great. Brother, Bill, know yourself. You see me? Because you play with a nation of people when I play. We will come for you. You see me, fish? Know yourself, man. That me I tell you. Know your blood class self, fish. Everyone, please like, share, subscribe at Global Watch Media. Boom, 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 boom.